What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max leather case. Now I do normally buy the leather cases for the new iPhones when they come out. I've had the leather case now since the iPhone 5 or maybe the 4. It could have been the 4, I'm not too sure. It rhymes. But I ended up buying this again. You know, this is £50, $50, whatever way you want to look at it, for a case. Now before the phone even came out, I did buy this case, which obviously you can see the lovely space grey through it, but it's all like sort of lined in the back and it's scratched to bits right now. So obviously I wanted to change things up. If this wasn't raised on every corner to make it a bit more bulky and stuff like that, I probably would have just stayed with it. It's just not for me. I mean, the clear one is nice, but it scratches too easy. And as I said, these raised bumps on the corner is just not for me. So let's take this out of its box and try it on the phone and see what it looks like on the Pro Max. So there we go. Right, okay, so let's take this big giant case off the phone. It just makes it far too bulky. I mean, I haven't even had this on the car mount yet because of how bulky this case really is. Let's take that off. There's the space grey. It looks absolutely superb. More videos to come with the Pro Max. But as you can see, it's nice and felt lined inside. All nice and tactile buttons, nice and clicky. And of course that lovely stove camera cutout. If you haven't seen that, I'll leave it here right for you now. But let's put it on and let's see what it looks like. And there we go. There it is, the iPhone 11 Pro Max leather. So it's black leather, but the lighting's making it look a little bit grey, but it is definitely 100% black leather. But feels great. This is exactly how all my iPhones have felt in the past because of this leather case. And I don't really think I'd be without the leather case. It's a case I'm always going to buy for the iPhone. However, as I've said to you in the past, this phone is probably going to stay with me now for the next 2 years. But I mean, we'll see. You never know what happens, but I'm pretty certain this is staying with me for 2 years. So lovely tactile buttons, cut out for your mute switch, cut out on the bottom for your speaker grill and your lightning port. However, obviously it doesn't protect this bit on the bottom of the Apple cases. This is all open. I do kind of prefer that over the closed. It does look a little bit better in my opinion, but everyone to their own. But guys, this is going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max leather case. More videos to come with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Make sure you stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you in my next video. Take it easy, everyone. I'll see you all soon. Take it easy. Bye.